Hey there, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the inlet relief on a HAWE valve if the unit will not build proper system pressure. Here are the tools you're going to need. 2 12mm wrenches, a 3mm hex key, a 6mm hex key, a 17mm wrench, brake parts cleaner, 6,000 PSI gauge, fittings and wrenches for installing the gauge, and compressed air if you have it available. The steps in this video will help you with any Elliott model with a HAWE control valve. But before we get started, make sure you read, understand, and obey the manufacturer's instructions and safety rules, your employer's safety rules and worksite regulations, and all applicable governmental regulations. You also ought to make sure you have the appropriate tools, lifting equipment, and a suitable workshop. The overall condition of the equipment, maintenance, and inspection procedures are just as important as safe operating procedures and a positive attitude towards safety. All these procedures properly applied will significantly reduce the likelihood of an accident or equipment failure. Finally, feel free to pause the video at any time to make sure you're doing each step safely and correctly. All right, first remove the cap from the inlet relief adjuster. Remove the inlet relief adjuster screw, spring, and poppet. Next, go ahead and clean the spring, poppet, screw, and inlet relief. Then install the poppet, spring, and screw. Now, since the inlet relief pressure is set higher than the system pressure will need to be temporarily increased to achieve the inlet relief pressure setting. You're going to use the pump pressure adjuster on the HAWE pump to do this. Next, using the red knob on the pressure reducing manifold, max out the system. Turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease pressure as needed to achieve the proper inlet relief pressure. You can check your operator's manual for the correct pressure setting for the function you are adjusting, or call Elliott Tech Support. Okay, from there, you're going to install the cap nut. Finally, reset system pressure. You can reference the operator's manual, Elliott ID plate on the unit, or Elliott Tech Support for that pressure setting for your model. All right, now that you've cleaned the inlet relief on your HAWE valve, you ought to be good to go. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our service techs at 531-772-0829, and make sure you check out our other technical support videos at elliotequip.com.